Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. As you see here, all of those three websites are built using Hostinger Website Builder. To make sure that this is a Hostinger Website Builder, as you see, this is the Hostinger Builder editor or website editor. To delete this website, it's simple. Just return to this website's page, and next to the website you want to delete, click on these three dots and select delete. All website data will be permanently deleted. This includes your free email to keep it, transfer or upgrade before deleting. I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and cannot be recovered. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes to be fully deleted. Click on done and wait a moment. By the way, I am deleting this Hostinger Website Builder tutorial because my domain name is expired and I want to start a new website. My website is still being deleted, and what I am waiting for is a little notification here that says something like your website is completely deleted or successfully deleted. If you don't see the notification after 10 to 20 seconds, I recommend you to refresh the page. And as you see, my website was deleted successfully, and I think I've missed the confirmation message. So I will delete another website to get the notification. For the second time, I've missed the confirmation. Don't worry about the confirmation. The important thing is that your website is deleted. And this is how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.